Hello everyone, my name is Multra Enoch and we're going to revise together Biology, the paper that was written by the internal candidate in 2019. The question reads, a young girl had multiple sexual partners consisting of the following: a fellow young boy, a businessman, and a public worker. And then they're saying A, briefly explain two risks the girl may have had from the multiple sexual partner. So one thing that you should bear in mind is that whenever you indulge yourself in sexual prostitution, one thing that you're going to, or you're likely to risk yourself is that you're going to obtain sexually transmitted disease. Another thing is that you may obtain unwanted pregnancy or unplanned pregnancies. So you can start answering. So two risks. So the first one is that obtaining sexually transmitted diseases, e.g. syphilis, HIV, and AIDS. So whenever you just involve yourself into sexual practice, you may risk your life by obtaining sexually transmitted diseases. Another thing is that obtaining unplanned pregnancies. So those are the two risks that this young girl can likely to find herself in. So we move on to the second one, where they're saying identify one sexual behavior that can help the young girl to achieve her set goal in education. So the renounced one is just that to abstain herself. So abstinence. So that is abstaining herself. Or you can just simply say abstinence. So we proceed to the next one, where they are saying suggest one best contraceptive method that the girl could have been using to protect herself. So by using what? Condoms. So that's the best contraceptive method that this girl can use so that she can protect herself from the various risks that you have talked about. So using condoms. So we proceed. So they are saying if the sexual partners are the following blood groups: young girl blood group O, young boy blood group B, businessman blood group AB, and the public worker blood group B. They are saying suggest the sexual partner who would have been responsible for the pregnancy if the young girl had a child with the blood group A. So there is no way where someone is having blood group A is having blood group B, like young boy can produce an offspring having blood group A. It's impossible. So that one is not the father of the child. So we go to the public worker. So it's just the same. But for someone who is having blood group AB, there is a chance of him producing an offspring having blood group what? A. So the answer there is the businessman. So the sexual partner who is responsible for the pregnancy is the businessman. We proceed. So they are saying use a genetic diagram to explain your answer in a C1 above. So using genetic diagram, so first thing you are going to indicate the people involved. So we are having their businessman, then there that is a young girl, so the first thing that you have to write is the parental phenotype. So parental phenotype. So phenotype, that is just the physical appearance of an organism. So a businessman at the blood group AB, which was crossed with the young girl blood group O. So the second thing, that is the parental genotype. So genotype, that is a genetic composition of an organism. So whenever you're writing blood group, don't forget to put this to my eye. So A, there that is B. So for the young girl, our genotype was O over O. Then from there, the process of meiosis is going to take place, where these two alleles, they are going to split to produce gametes. So there you're going to have that. So there that is A, also there that is B. So the process that has occurred there is called meiosis. Then these things that are produced, these are what we call gametes. Then from there, what is going to happen is that random fertilization is going to take place, where that one is going to collide with that one. So from there, you're going to obtain an offspring having blood group A. Then from there, also that one has to correspond to that one, which is A over O. That one with the